Artists now can create beautiful holographic chrome stamping image quickly and easily with SheModern's chrome semi-gel stamping polish as a base stamping polish and clear under gel light and rub chrome pigment over top. I'm gonna use a non-stick matte chrome resist clear gel. Apply a thin layer over a black nail polish and clear under gel light for 60 seconds will result in a non-stick chrome resist layer. After clean, it's gonna be a non-stick surface. Now I'm gonna play with the stamping technique. Stamp this flower, having all the necessary tool out and ready, the scraper and the jelly stamper. I'm gonna use the color opaque gray chrome semi-gel stamping polish and stamping polish. Apply a thin layer over this image. And then pick up with a jelly stamper. Leave the image on the jelly stamper a little longer. Do not rush to stamp right away. In the meantime, just clean up the polish with acetone polish remover and the side of the scraper and save these to reuse later. Clean up the unwanted parts surrounding the image. And with this non-stick chrome resist nail, we're gonna stamp this image over top. Take your time, do not rush. I'm gonna place this flower image to the side. This is what I'm talking about. If leaving the stamping image on the jelly stamper a little longer, do not rush. When you stamp, it's gonna be a clean, full polish image transfer. And then just clean up with the sticky lint roller. Now this is still tacky and wet. If you touch it, you will see the polish, wet polish. But we need to clear this under gel light for 60 seconds. After clean, if you want, you can slightly touch it and feel a smooth surface of this clear image flower. It's almost feel like non-stick, but there is a very light sticky. Well, we're gonna play with dry coloring and rub chrome pigment over top. I'm using this Colors Gold Holo holographic chrome pigment powder with a quick, easy close and open in this dispensing bottles. Because it's going to be one solid color, so I'm going to tap directly over this flower nail, and this to show that any color chrome pigment is going to turn the underneath chrome image into the chrome pigment powder colors. Using a clean soft sponge, I'm going to slightly dab and rub at the same time to bring up the shiny color of the chrome pigment. See, the part that rub the gold chrome is gonna turn it into a chrome shine effect. The part, the gray here, is not yet rubbed yet, so it's still a solid gray. This to show that with any base colors, chrome image, and it playing with the opaque chrome colors pigment, it's gonna cover up the underneath chrome pigment colors, the chrome image. And this demo also show color swatching for what the holographic chrome gonna look like. And with the sponge, rub to a shiny effect, flatten the chrome pigment so thin to bring up the shine and holographic. At the same time, rub or brush away any loose chrome dust, and then just wait to be topped up with top coat and you're done. This is what it looks like with the holographic effect. Artists now can create beautiful holographic chrome stamping image quickly and easily with SheModern's chrome semi-gel stamping polish as a base stamping polish and clear under gel light and rub chrome pigment over top.